Milanote versus Heptabase. Which visual notes app wins? Choosing the right visual notes app can transform how you organize ideas without losing clarity. Milanote offers a flexible board style, while Heptabase focuses on structured knowledge mapping. Milanote and Heptabase both help capture and organize visual notes, but their core difference lies in approach. Milanote uses a free-form creative board layout, while Heptabase emphasizes a structured network knowledge system for deeper connections. Milanote is a visual workspace designed for creative projects, combining notes, images, links, and tasks on an infinite canvas. Users drag and drop elements freely, creating mood boards, storyboards, or project plans with ease. Its intuitive interface supports quick idea capture and flexible layouts, making it ideal for designers, writers, and teams brainstorming visually. Milanote integrates with cloud storage and allows real-time collaboration, enhancing workflow efficiency. However, its open-ended design can become overwhelming for users who prefer structured organization or need extensive knowledge management. It's best suited for those who value creativity and visual freedom over rigid frameworks, especially in early project stages or concept development. Heptabase focuses on structured visual note-taking and knowledge management through a network system of cards and mind maps. It allows users to create interconnected notes with rich metadata, enabling efficient retrieval and insight discovery. The app supports outlining, tagging, and linking ideas, making it powerful for researchers, students, and knowledge workers who require clarity and depth in their note organization. Heptabase's interface encourages building a personal knowledge graph which can reveal hidden relationships between concepts. While it offers less free-form flexibility than Milanote, its strength lies in maintaining order and fostering long-term understanding. Users looking for a methodical approach to visual notes and deep knowledge synthesis will find Heptabase a strong match. Milanote excels in creative freedom with its open canvas, perfect for brainstorming and visual storytelling, but it may lack structure for complex knowledge projects. Heptabase provides a more disciplined environment with linked notes and mind maps, ideal for building a knowledge base or research archive. If you need quick, flexible idea capture and collaboration, Milanote fits well. For systematic note organization and discovering connections over time, Heptabase stands out. The trade-off is between creative flexibility and structured depth, so your choice depends on whether your priority is free-form creativity or organized knowledge management. Choose Milanote if you want a visually rich, flexible workspace for creative projects and collaborative brainstorming without strict organizational constraints. Opt for Heptabase when your focus is on building a structured, interconnected knowledge system that supports deep learning and research. Both apps serve distinct needs, so select the one that aligns best with your workflow and note-taking.